Weight loss tip number 22, channel your rage. This is a little unorthodox tip from our own personal experience, which will help you really smash your next weight loss workouts.
Now, when you're trying to lose weight, you need to use high intensity training because you need adrenaline to break fat. But high intensity is quite subjective. If you say avoid stress and start your day meditating, your high intensity training might look something like,
yeah, let's go.
Smash it, man.
That's not high intensity.
We find that when something really pisses us off and gets us raging, I'm fuming, we can really smash any high intensity set you give us. Weight loss workouts work best if you train first thing in the morning when you're not quite fully awake. Having a rage reserve will really help your workouts because it will channel that adrenaline right where you need it.
Think of the guy who cut ahead of you in traffic. How bloody dirty! Or your boss trying to micromanage everything that you do. Does that make you angry? Good.
Think of your ex who's been cheating on you. Wouldn't you want to punch the shit out of that boxing bag if their face was plastered all over it? It really works.
Think of your rage-baiting neighbors who are making your life hell.
Or your high school bully you never got revenge on. I'm fuming!
You are human. You are allowed to be angry, but save your anger for your workout and smash that high intensity set. The likelihood is that whatever makes you angry, you'll feel about it better too.
Do you know anyone who's trying to give their workouts 110%, but from the side looks like they're not even trying? Why not share this video with them and help them channel their rage?
Thanks for watching. For more weight loss tips like these, visit our YouTube channel or head over to bellyproof.com/tips.